In this video, how to deploy Mozilla Firefox ESR using Microsoft Intune. The first and recommended method is to deploy the application using the Win32 app type. First, download the installer of the app from the official website. The next step is creating some folders for Intune package creation. For example, I will create them in the D drive. Before you can add the app to Microsoft Intune, you must prepare the app by using the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool. The tool converts application installation files into the .IntuneWin format. Download the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool from the official Microsoft GitHub repository. Extract the downloaded zip file. We just need the prep tool, so let's copy it to the Intune folder that we've created in the previous step. Make sure the file IntuneWin is located at the same level as the input and output folders. Now, rename the downloaded file to setup.exe. Then copy it to the input folder that we've created in the previous steps. At this moment, you can see the structure of the Intune folder. All files and folders in the input folder will be compressed into an .IntuneWin file format. After the conversion, the final Intune package will be saved into the output folder. Next, open PowerShell or Terminal as administrator. Navigate to the Intune folder using the cd command. Now, run the IntuneWin app tool. The tool will guide you to enter the required parameters step by step. Specify the path of the input folder as the source folder. Enter the full path of the setup.exe file. And the path of the output folder for the generated .IntuneWin file. Press Enter to continue. The application is now doing its magic, creating the .IntuneWin file for us. Once done, go to the output folder to verify that the .IntuneWin file is being created. Finally, log into the Intune Admin Center and create a new Windows app deployment. From the drop-down menu, select the app type as Windows App Win32. For the app package file, select the output Intune file that you created. On the app information page, provide the required details, such as the name of the Intune app, a description, and the publisher's name. Optionally, you can upload a logo for the app by selecting an image file. This logo is displayed in the company portal, making it easier for users to recognize the app. In the program page, we need to enter the install and uninstall commands for the app. On the requirements page, you can specify prerequisites that the managed devices must meet before the app is installed, such as the device architecture, minimum OS version, disk space, and more. Detection rules let you verify if the app is already installed. You can choose to use a custom detection script or manually configure a detection rule. In this video, we'll use the manually configured detection rule option. Select File as the rule type to verify based on file or folder detection. Enter the following information to configure the detection rule. For the detection method, select File or Folder Exist. In this page, you can define software dependencies and specify apps that must be installed before the app can be deployed. Additionally, you can configure supersedence to directly update or replace an older version of the app. On the Assignments page, decide how to deploy the app. For required deployments, the app will be force-installed on specified groups or devices. For available deployments, the app will appear in the company portal, allowing users to install it. Use the Uninstall deployment option to remove the app from managed devices. You can select Add all devices to deploy the app to all managed devices, but it's recommended to test the deployment on a small group of devices before deploying it organization-wide. In this page, you can also filter devices for deployment, configure end-user notifications, and app installation deadline. Review the settings and click Create. If you see the message, your app is not ready yet, wait for the content upload to finish. After a few minutes, you'll receive confirmation that the upload is complete and the deployment is active. To verify the app deployment, log into a managed device and allow time for system sync. You can manually trigger a sync from the Windows settings, the company portal, or by restarting the computer. As you can see, Intune is downloading and installing the app. And the app has been successfully installed automatically. In the Intune portal, you can monitor the deployment status on the overview page, where you'll see a graphical breakdown such as devices with successful installations, devices still installing, and any errors encountered. Please note that the deployment status may take some time to appear in the Intune Admin Center. Please be patient. If the app is no longer needed, you can modify its deployment settings in Intune to uninstall it. Go to the Properties section and edit the assignments. Remove the group from the required section and add it to the Uninstall section. Wait for the sync to complete, and the app will automatically be removed from target devices. The second method is to deploy the app using the Enterprise App Catalog in Microsoft Intune. The Enterprise App Catalog is a Microsoft solution that simplifies application management with a pre-packaged catalog of apps within the Intune platform. Before you get started, please note that Enterprise App Management is included in the Microsoft Intune suite or can be purchased as a standalone SKU. Ensure you have the required license before proceeding. Now, log into the Intune Admin Center and add a Windows app deployment as usual. Once you have the required license, the Enterprise App Catalog option will be available from the drop-down menu. Click on Search the Enterprise App Catalog and search for the desired app. The Configuration tab will display the available app types, including language, architecture, and version. Leave the settings on the app information page as default unless you want to make the app available through the company portal. You can also optionally add a logo for the app. On the next page, review the pre-filled installation parameters. Typically, no modifications are needed, but adjustments can be made if necessary. The same applies to the requirements page, which has already been pre-configured by the vendor. Detection rules, based on file size, version, or registry values, are auto-filled as well. On the assignments page, choose how the app will be deployed. For instance, I'll choose to make the app available to enrolled devices, allowing users to install it easily through the company portal. Review the settings, then click Add App button to create the app deployment. Using this method, you don't need to download any installers or convert files into Intune package format. Microsoft takes care of all the steps for you. As you can see, the app will not be installed automatically. Instead, users can decide when they want to install the app manually from the company portal. To uninstall the app from devices, shift the targeted group to the Uninstall section, similar to the Win32 App method. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.